Hi guys, so in this video I'll be telling you guys how to know what to plant. Are you a new farmer out there and you're thinking of what to plant? You are confused, you are worried, you are thinking of which plants are you going to plant? This video is for you. I encourage you to watch this video to the end, and the number 3 on my list is very important and it's going to shock you. So guys, number 1 is plant what your community is planting. What are your farm community, what are they cultivating? What crops are they cultivating? Plant the same crops. That will enable you will not start looking for buyer, how to sell, how to market. If you are planting the same thing they are planting in their farm, when they want to market them, you will be able to get some information, some enlightenment from them, and you won't have a struggle in selling your crops, your products. And the second one on my list is, if you have a new farm, maybe somewhere far, you should go to the local market. Go to the local market of that community. Go and see what they are selling in that local market. Go there and see what crops are they selling, what crops is in demand, what crops are they marketing. Then plant that crops. Like if they are selling plantain, cucumber, pepper, okra, onions, then you should consider cultivating these plants. Okay, so that will enable you, after doing this, you will not start looking for where to sell. It will make you to have buyers, okay, to be able to trade, to have, like, the community will be in demand of what you are cultivating, what you are planting. Okay, and the third one is to know your budget and management. You should know your budget and money. Like in starting up a farm, you should have a budget and a management. Don't just like start up. Like I remember when we started our plantain farm, the one I'm in now, so you guys can see. When my dad started earlier, started like about 2 million or even more than that. But then we don't have much idea. When anyone that came to it, we have to weed, we have to like clear the bushes to enable us to cultivate. And anyone that came and say, we'll pay. If they say 60, if they say 70, we'll keep on giving them money, paying for extravagant, like paying for what it should, the price should be lower. Like then we'll pay like 100. I remember that my dad paying almost 400,000 to clear up this bush, which is not up to that. Like if we have information or budget, we could have paid nothing less than maybe 100,000 for it. But because we did not budget and management was not there, we just started new, so we don't have much idea, much information about it, and we did not budget. So you have to budget and again management, okay, so that you will not go bankrupt or get tired as the time go. And lastly, your workers. Determine your workers is very important. Your laborers, people that will work on the farm, people that will cultivate it for you, people that will plant your crops for it. Plant what they are good at. Let me say, get a laborers that are good at planting certain crops. Okay, get people, plant what your laborers are good at. Let them be the one to cultivate for you. Don't tell them, oh, as long as you don't have any idea about it, let them do their job and plant what they are good at planting. Okay, I hope this video give you value. I hope you learned one or two. If you do, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn notification bell, as turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, see you guys in my next video. Bye.